Think Dubai sleeps at night? You're missing the best part. From the neon-lit alleys of the old souk to the highest rooftops in downtown. Here is the ultimate 2026 nightlife map. Think Dubai sleeps at night? You're missing the most sensational part of the city. First, get lost in the neon magic of the old souk. This is where tradition meets an electric atmosphere. But for that 2026 luxury vibe, you need to head up. These rooftop views are actually incredible. From the glowing skyscrapers of the marina to the hidden rooftop gems only locals know. This is the real Dubai after dark. Which one are you choosing, the neon souk or the rooftop views? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more Dubai Revealed.